The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sedgwick County Emergency Management. Many reports have come in that people around the city of Wichita are starting to transform into a white unknown substance. It is unknown of what is causing this to happen. It was also reported that once a human has transformed, they have lost their entire body, and has transformed into a new body. As of right now, all residents in the city of Wichita are advised to remain alert, and look out for anything suspicious. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sedgwick County Emergency Management. This is an update to the civil danger warning issued 2 hours ago. The number of residents transforming have worsened. More people turning into a white substance have been reported around the city of Wichita, and is quickly spreading across the entire city. It is still unknown as to what is causing residents to transform into this strange-looking substance, but all residents should continue to remain alert and to monitor local media outlets for further information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Wichita Police Department. A shelter-in-place warning is now in effect for the entire city of Wichita, Kansas. About 5 minutes ago, residents in the city of Wichita, Kansas, have now transformed into a white gooey-like substance in the whole city of Wichita. It was also reported that the cause of residents transforming into this white gooey-like substance was because of reports also coming in that white slime-like puddles have appeared from an unknown location, spreading into the entire city of Wichita. As of right now, it is advised that you stay indoors at this time until police and the emergency management have looked into the situation. Close and lock all doors and windows, and block off anything leading to the outside world. If you are concerned, or if you think it is too risky to stay in Wichita, you are allowed to evacuate to another safer location. Stay tuned for any local media outlets on this unusual situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Sedgwick County Emergency Management in the Wichita Police Department. About 26 minutes ago, it was reported by the police that residents transforming into the white slime-like substance have been starting to transform into a wolf-like creature after the transformation is finished. It was also said that signs of residents transforming have started to have white slime move all over their entire body, as well as growing a tail, having blue eyes, sharp fangs, and white fur growing all over the body. It was also confirmed that making contact with these creatures will also affect the untouched person, meaning that it also transforms the other person into a slime wolf-like creature. The name of these creatures are unknown at this time. Right now, it is still recommended that you don't go outside as these creatures have gone all over the city of Wichita. If you must go outside, do so at your own risk, and keep on the lookout for these creatures.
civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties. Sedgwick, at 8:01 p.m. on November 7, 2023, effective until 9:26 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. A black slime-like substance has escaped from the biolab at Reardon Clinic. This black slime-like substance has quickly spread into the city of Wichita, as well as having the same characteristics as the white slime-like substances reported hours ago. Residents who went into contact with this black slime-like substance have been identified with following: white mask automatically sticking to their face, black slime-like liquid covering the entire body, growing a tail, wolf-like ears, and fur. Do not touch this substance, as it will start to transform you into a wolf-like creature. Wichita Police has been deployed to kill off these creatures in the area. You are still advised to shelter in place until the situation is over. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kansas Emergency Management Agency. The entire state of Kansas is now in unmandatory evacuation order. As of 7:06 a.m., the creatures formed from the white and black slime-like substances have quickly spread all over the entire state of Kansas, along with other major cities in Kansas such as Topeka, Wichita, Hutchinson, Garden City, Great Bend, and Manhattan. All residents in the state of Kansas are advised to evacuate the state immediately. Those who refuse to evacuate will face certain death. Grab all supplies needed while evacuating, such as non-perishable food and water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, toiletries, a battery, or hand-cranked radio to stay tuned for further information. Do not attempt to pick up any family members, friends, or loved ones from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes, as these places have their own evacuation plans. Do not delay. Evacuate now. National Information Center. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The creatures, now identified as latex beasts originating from Kansas, have now quickly spread into the central states, along with other major cities in the central states. Unfortunately, all attempts to kill off these latex beasts have failed, as these creatures are spreading at a very quick rate around the United States. As of right now, all residents hearing this message, no matter where you live, or where you are at right now, you are strongly advised to seek an underground shelter immediately, as it's possible that these creatures will spread into all 50 states within the next 2 hours. Grab any needed supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a hand-cranked or battery-powered radio to stay tuned for further information. If these creatures enter your home, use armed protection at all costs. This includes lethal force. Stay tuned for any further information on this unusual situation. We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. A global emergency is now in effect. As of 2:48 p.m., the creatures, known as latex beasts, have now spread to all 50 states including Alaska and Hawaii, and the rest of the world, transforming all humans into black and white wolf creatures on sight. It was discovered that the white and black slime substances, known as latex, have came from a biolab in Kansas. These creatures show no mercy to any humans that they see. Unfortunately, all attempts to kill off these latex beasts have failed due to these creatures transforming at a very quick rate. There is now nothing we can do to stop this situation. Every world leader, including the United States presidents, have transformed into these latex beasts. Within the next 12 hours, the remaining 10,000 humans on Earth will transform and go extinct. Humanity has fallen. You are instructed to gather all your family and friends and brace for the end. Pray to your religion that you are part of. May God bless the world and the United States of America. All broadcasts will cease transmission for the final time with our national anthem. Please stand by.